Hey there, how is it going everyone? In this video, we're going to be talking about static methods. Static methods are those methods that do not know anything about their class. What they do is to act as convenience methods that we add onto our class, but they do not modify anything about their class. They do not modify or change anything or any attribute about the class. They also do not change anything about the instances we create of our class. So for example, I'm going to create a simple class. So I'm going to continue with the employee class we created in the previous videos. I'm going to create a class called employee. And this employee class is going to have some attributes. Let's say age as 23. Let's say name as, let's say, Jonathan. So these are the class attributes that we have right now. So I'm also going to create a simple method that is going to be a static method in this case. And this method is going to be BMI method. And what it's going to do is going to take in the height as well as the weight. Every employee that is going to belong of any employee, then it's just going to return the BMI as, let's say, the weight divided by the height. So it's going to be the weight divided by the height raised to the power 2. So this is going to return our BMI. Now to make this a static method, what we shall do is to use the static method keyword. So the static method keyword is this. So when I write static method, this is going to make any function a static method to a particular class. So to do this, we are going to make this a static method. So we're going to do that by calling the method. So I'm going to say employee.bmi is going to be equal to static method, and then you pass in the method or the function that you may want to wrap within this to make it a static method. So I'm going to say employee dot bmi, and then what I'm going to do is to call a function. So when I call this, I will have to pass in the various arguments that need to go within it. I'm going to pass in the height as 10, and then pass in the weight as 23. Now when I do this, I'm going to print this, so we get the output in the console. So after doing this, I'm going to run this by pulling up my terminal. I'm going to first clear my output, and then I'll say Python static methods.py, and this is going to return our BMI. So another way we can make a static method is by simply decorating the function we would like to make a static method with a static method decorator. So to do this, I'm going to remove this line, and I'll just come just above this BMI function, and I'll just add this decorator at static method. And after this, I'll just save and rerun our code by saying Python static methods.py, and this is going to return our BMI.